Yeah.
Okay, what else? You got spinach, fruit, milk, protein,
Almond butter.
almond butter, okay. Alright. Black seeds. Hemp seeds. We got, what else? Chia seeds. We got all of these. Ice. I seen lemon and lime. I seen all kinds of things, right? So when I think of smoothie, right, first of all, when you make a smoothie, what you put it in? Okay, so that was the analogy. That's what we're doing. Blender, right? But when you think about all the things that you put into that blender to make that smoothie, what is the smoothie supposed to do? It's supposed to, exactly, right? So blended smoothies are supposed to be healthy, but those things that go in it, right? Is your child going to be, is spinach going to be the first thing that your child asks to go in their smoothie? No. They think that's nasty, right? They don't want anything green. First of all, smoothies that are green are nasty looking, right, to children, right? So flaxseed, I'm like, I don't know about that. I don't know about no chia seeds either. You know, those kind of things are not necessarily the good things, right? So.
Right. So they might be good for you, right? They good for you, but they don't necessarily. The major idea is that it don't look so great. Right. So you get this whole mixture. I wanted to use a better SAT word, but I ain't been to city in a long time. So my brain is failing me. But you get this whole mixture of different ingredients. You got different flavors, different textures. And you're throwing this all together. You got some roughage, your fibers with your spinach, then you got your ice that is really rough, and you know your rough patch. But then you throw in some of your sweeter stuff, your fruits, your honey, and your milk to to liquefy it and smooth it. And I won't even talk about what the chia seeds do, but anyway, well, not the chia. I'm talking flaxseed. Flaxseed gonna do. But sometimes it ends up, you can throw all those things together, and sometimes it looks like this, and it looks so pretty, even with the best of intentions.
Right. But it's healthy food. You gotta mix it together in order. You gotta have the good, the bad, and the ugly to make it great, right? So get to these ingredients. So we'll start off with honesty, because we gave you the ingredients, right? We talked about those, and that's what it looks like. Smoothie, right in here with honesty.
Patience. Remember that everyone's reaction to change is different, which is, really important. I mean, in a traditional family, but of course more so in a blended family, because it's instant change when you're coming together. So to be able to understand how children are going to deal, and to be able to work with, and we'll get into some more stuff like that, but just to be cognizant of the things that they're going through and dealing with. And I, being an educator, oftentimes I see children in school who are behaving differently, and when you talk to them, you find out that there's something going on at home, whatever it is, new relationship, somebody passed away, somebody got locked up, whatever it is. So all of those things can affect the children in the home and even outside of the home.
You bonus turn, right?
Understand that children tend to be resentful initially and work toward a healthy relationship. So.
Yeah. So he's telling me to go, because that was the situation I was in. I had two boys. And even though I became their mom at 3 and 4, they were babies at the time. You would think that, things would go normal, but you never really understand it until certain things start happening. And you have to be in tune with where they are. And it may be that they are holding on to resentment for whatever reason. Whether it's because mom is not here, whether it's because new mom is here, and she might, be doing things that you're not feeling that needs to be done, or whatever the case may be. Maybe dad and mom are on a discord, right? But I had to receive that and be okay with it, and understand that it's a part of the process, and give them that one-on-one communication. Give them that time to be able to explain how they feel about it, what they need from you, and receive that. Because ultimately, it's what it is. You're building a relationship with that new child.
Communication. Set clear expectations for your children.
Sometimes I was struggling with that. I still struggle with that. Cause I'm just do all of this, do that. But I'm not set in what I want your children to do. Like I'm talking to the children, I'm saying this, I'm saying that. I ain't talked with Matt. I ain't said nothing to them, and they like, ooh, and we supposed to listen to what is going on, right? So it helps for me to understand what I want them to do. Give them the expectation, right? But in that, we want to make sure that we have the communication with your significant other before you communicate that, and I think that's the next one.
Consistency, transparency. Parents should stay on one accord.
You wanna?
No.
Okay, that's it. All right. So yes, so one accord is very important. I talked about loopholes before. We had to really get to the place where we would receive whatever the action was that wasn't the best, that we didn't agree upon, and maybe it was that I didn't agree upon it, and Matt was okay with it, and we were looking, and I'm like ready to do all of this. I had to understand that, yeah, you see all of this?
Yeah.
You see who the hothead and who the, I'm the hothead, he's the cool one, right? He laid back. But we call each other yin and yang, right? Yeah, that's what we did. So we kind of like balanced each other out. And what we had to learn was that we had to receive that action, have a conversation about it, see where we fall into it, and then come to a middle ground.
Our being yin and yang, we were also good cop, bad cop, but she made me a corrupt cop. I'm trying to be good cop, but you know, once she went off, I gotta have her back. I can't be sitting around like letting her look crazy. So then I gotta jump in like, yeah, what she said. You know,
Yeah.
so.
That was a bad thing.
Exactly. Yeah. So. Do not undermine each other, especially not in front of the children.
I'll let you take that one.
So, because she claims that's what I do all the time. Like, if I'm saying, a lot of times I'm just trying to, like, reel her back in, but it's not best, I'll say, to do it in front of the children, because then it shows them that we're not all on the same page or whatever. So, but sometimes I just gotta keep her from blowing a gasket. So I'm like, look, chill.
But that is from me having to learn to chill, pause, and reset. I learned in my first session, reset, right? Reset, and then come back to it after I've had the conversation with my spouse.
Yeah, and I've had to learn to say, look, I'm not going to sit here and say she's wrong in front of them. I'm just going to say, maybe we need to take this somewhere else, and then we can talk about it away from them instead of getting into it, and then we going at each other in front of them and looking crazy. Show unconditional love. Actions speak louder than words. Show your love. And if none of that works for you, go to therapy.
Having someone to come in and hear you out wherever it may be.